Neon's buzzing like a dying fly next to a dryer on its final try. In the corner stands a cabinet, faded and gray, a ghost of the 80s just wasting away. I dropped a quarter but it spit it back out, a mechanical shrug in a metallic pout. It was stuck on free play, a hollow display with a joystick that didn't have nothing to say. Now the red cycle's humming and the suds are all high, but I'm elbow deep where the solder sparks fly from a silent machine to a digital roar. It's the king of the tiles on the laundromat floor. Yeah, the quarters are dropping, the logic is sound. I fixed the arcade while the laundry went round. I pulled off the back, saw the dust and the grime, a tangled up graveyard of nickels and time. The button micro switches were rusted and stuck, just a series of clicks and a whole lot of bad luck. I cleaned up the contacts, I seated the chips, while the lady in Ford or two gave me some tips. I bypassed the short and I tightened the wire, setting those 8-bit pixels on fire. VYR, keep the voltage in line, that old power supply's finally feeling fine. No more game over before it begins. I'm trading in lint for a handful of wins. Now the red cycle's humming and the suds are all high, but I'm elbow deep where the solder sparks fly from a silent machine to a digital roar. It's the king of the tiles on the laundromat floor. Yeah, the quarters are dropping, the logic is sound. I fixed the arcade while the laundry went round. The coin slot is hungry, the buttons are crisp, the sin of the gain is a heavenly wisp. My whites are all